Hey guys, it's Callie. Hey, today I'm going to take you to my kitchen and we are going to meal plan. So the purpose of this meal planning is to get back right with my healthy eating habits. I am officially 28 weeks pregnant and it's time to get back onto clean eating, healthier eating, making better choices. And yeah, this will be a part of like just my weight loss journey for postpartum. So they say that weight loss after pregnancy actually begins in the third trimester. So I'm going to take you along with me to my kitchen and I'm going to show you what this process is going to look like. Take you to the kitchen. I just wanted to give you a bump shot. So this is me at 28 weeks pregnant. Yes. Yeah, so baby girl is definitely in there and we're just so excited for her arrival. But she must stay in there until it's ready to come out, until she's ready to come out. But yes, so I'm officially in my third trimester and this is what I'm looking like. I'm gaining a lot of weight, guys, a lot of weight. I honestly don't know how much. When I go to the doctor's office, I'll figure out how much I have gained. But the goal is to lose my baby weight plus more. I'm hoping within, honestly, the next 2 years. Because honestly, guys, I have to lose like about 100 pounds. It may not look like it, but believe me, trust me, I got to lose like 100 pounds. But anyway. Yeah, so I want to take y'all to the kitchen next and I'll show you what I got going over there. Going here is I made up a clean eating list and my goal would be to basically have all of these as my baseline, like just foods that I have in the pantry. So with that being said, I have like Hawaiian roll, popcorn, stuff. I have burritos and just a lot of stuff that's just not on the list. And there are some things that I'm transitioning into the list. So I'm just going to take y'all on this journey of just showing you realistically how to transition back over to eating a well-balanced meal with good whole foods on a clean eating diet. I make a list of what's actually in the fridge. And so this is from just last week. Write down your meals for the week. So Friday we love pizza and salad. So that's we're just going to keep that for now until we can figure out how we want to transition that out. But for now we'll keep it. And then Saturday I wrote down everything with just what we had in the fridge. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. And so I'm just very realistic because I know myself over the last few weeks what I have pretty much been doing. Guys, so I'm back. So, okay, I've made a list of what's in my fridge. And so you look at my fridge and you know, you have all these ingredients and you're like, oh my God, there's nothing to eat in here. But if you sit down and write down what you have in here and then go to allrecipes.com and start like typing in different ingredients, you're going to start to get ideas of what you can make. So for instance, I have this flounder fish that I need to use. And I thought, oh, I can make clean fish cakes. So I'm going to make fish cakes with that. So that's going to be really good. I have this salad here. I got my husband to buy some broccoli and Brussels sprouts to go with the lettuce. And I'm going to pair it with the rest of these walnuts and probably get a goat cheese because the only cheese we have left is this one. And on my other list, it says to either use full cheese or whatever cheese. Oh, here it is. To use full fat or low fat cheese. So yeah, so I'm going to do that. So yeah, so that's just giving you an idea of what's going on. So So that's pretty much it, guys. So one thing that I am trying to get better at is knowing my spices that I'm going to need for the week, including that kind of in my regimen too. But other than that, I'm just going to make sure I write down what I need from the grocery store, and we'll do that. And that's pretty much it. So every week we'll get better at transitioning over to that new list, and hopefully I can gather that list together, and it'll be a freebie if you sign up for the email list. All right. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.